Hey everybody, and welcome to Charlestown, Massachusetts. Right now I'm in Winthrop Square. It is a gorgeous spring day. The trees are just blooming like crazy over here. I'm just going to take a walk up to the Bunker Hill Monument, which is just up the hill. You can see it peeking up over there, but we'll walk by all the gorgeous trees. Today is Sunday, April 17th, 2022, and it's about 50 degrees out. So we're just going to walk up the hill here.
Oh, goodness. Julia, 7-month-old. No way. She's going to be a big dog.
You can see the trees are just about in peak bloom right now, I would say. You can see the monument. It looks perfect through these trees at this angle. You can look back at the park here. I'm going to cross the street here so we can be in the sunlight. I'll actually turn around because the trees look gorgeous from up on top of the hill here. There is the Bunker Hill Monument. It is actually possible to go all the way to the top of it. It is a long climb up, I think. You know, I'm not sure. They may have an elevator too. I'm sure they do. The only way, I ran up the stairs once. It's a good workout.
General Warren enlisted as a private. They think we're not going to fight. So they went for well, to die. But he did that.
look straight up at it from here. Very tall. See Boston this way. You see the Zakin Bridge and some of the skyline. It looks great up here at night. Here's the entrance to the, how you normally get up. It's not open right now. Some more beautiful trees over there. You can see a steeple poking up over there. Looks like they're doing some work here. Maybe they're gardening, or I'm not sure. Alright, I just wanted to do a quick walk. There were some gorgeous trees over by Winthrop Square, and I just wanted to walk up to the monument. Oh, it looks like the sun's peeking out a little bit again. Beautiful sky today. It's just intermittent clouds. Anyway, as always, if you enjoy my content, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm very close to 1,000. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. And as always, check out my photography at WayneOxfordphotography.com. There's a link in the description. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you next time.